If you see two equations with two variables on the SAT, most students panic or start guessing. But here's the truth. SAT systems of equations are not hard, they are procedural. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve any system of equations using substitution, elimination, and how to handle word problems without stress. By the end, you'll be able to solve these questions in under 60 seconds. Let's get started. A system of equations is just two equations with two unknowns. For example, x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. Your goal is simple: find values of x and y that make both equations true at the same time. Part 2. Method 1. Elimination, the fastest SAT method. We'll solve x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. Step 1. Add the equations. That gives 2x equals 12. Step 2. Solve for x, which gives x equals 6. Step 3. Plug back in. 6 plus y equals 10, so y equals 4. SAT tip: if variables cancel easily, use elimination. Part 3. Method 2. Substitution. Now try this system. Y equals 2x plus 1, and x plus y equals 13. Step 1. Substitute y. We get x plus 2x plus 1 equals 13. Step 2. Solve. 3x plus 1 equals 13, so 3x equals 12, and x equals 4. Step 3. Plug back in. Y equals 2 times 4 plus 1, which equals 9. SAT tip: if one variable is already isolated, use substitution. Part 4. Word problem application. John has 20 coins consisting of quarters and dimes. The total value is $3.20. How many of each coin does he have? Step 1. Define variables. Let Q be quarters and D be dimes. Step 2. Set up equations. Q plus D equals 20 and 0.25 Q plus 0.10 D equals 3.20. Step 3. Elimination time. Multiply the second equation by 100 to clear the decimals. That gives 25Q plus 10D equals 320. Now from the first equation, solve for Q. Q equals 20 minus D. Substitute. We get 25 times 20 minus D plus 10D equals 320. Simplify. 500 minus 25D plus 10D equals 320. That gives negative 15D equals negative 180. So D equals 12. Then Q equals 8. Here's the rule you need to remember. If variables cancel, use elimination. If one variable is isolated, use substitution. If it's a word problem, translate first, then solve. And most importantly, don't overthink. SAT systems are pattern-based. If this helped you, the next video will cover quadratic equations made simple for SAT math. Make sure to follow so you don't miss it.